Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Today I am thrilled to introduce to you the ultimate camping essential, the two-person camping garden hammock with mosquito net. Whether you're an avid camper, hiker, or just someone who loves to spend time in nature, this hammock is a game changer for your outdoor experience. Picture this, you're in the middle of a picturesque forest, surrounded by tall trees and the sounds of nature. You and your camping buddy are ready to rest after a day of exploring, but the pesky mosquitoes are out in full force. That's where our hammock comes in to save the day. With its built-in mosquito net, you can say goodbye to those annoying bugs and hello to a peaceful, uninterrupted sleep under the stars. But that's not all. Our hammock is made with strength parachute fabric, ensuring durability and reliability for years to come. It's spacious enough to accommodate 2 people, and the installation is a breeze. Simply find 2 stable trees or columns, connect the rope, and voila, you have a comfortable and secure sleeping spot for the night. Not only is this hammock perfect for camping, but it's also great for backyard lounging or even as a portable bed for your next beach trip. It's versatile, practical, and a must-have for anyone who loves to embrace the great outdoors. So, if you're ready to take your camping experience to the next level, I urge you to click the link in the description and get your hands on the two-person camping garden hammock with mosquito net. Trust me, you won't regret it. Let's make unforgettable outdoor memories together. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting gear reviews and outdoor adventures. Happy camping!